Start doing anything else now?
No, not right now. And you see how that water keep rising. You don't need to do nothing else. Hey everybody, it's Chastity Elise. And what we're doing today is Sunday. My mom is going to be officially making the shrimp Alfredo. And so I sent her the recipe, but this will be her first time actually making it for us, since obviously I'm kind of at a disadvantage right now. So she's making it for us tonight. I sent her the recipe, and so this is just gonna be a quick vlog. We're gonna like see how she does. So granted, I feel like you can't really mess it up really unless you just season it too much, but that's really honestly a mistake that you can make with any food or any recipe that you prepare, is over seasoning it. But anyway, so you all may not get to hear us talking during this video. I don't really know, it just kind of depends, because right now my dad's in the kitchen, and as we all know, you may not know if this is your first time watching me, but in this household, like, we have TVs in every room. The only room that we do not have a TV in is the bathroom. That is literally the only room that we do not have a TV in. So wherever he is, there is a TV, and wherever there is a TV, he likes noise, so the TVs are always on. So right now he's in the kitchen, so I don't know what the move is. I don't know if he's gonna stay in the kitchen while we're cooking, or if he's gonna go and sit in the living room, which the living room is like right there at the kitchen. There's no kind of divider there. So if he decides to go to the living room, then he's gonna turn the TV on. So either way, there's gonna be a TV in the background. So I'm just gonna kind of mute the sound for that part of the video. If we still have TVs on and whatever, which is highly likely, then I'm just gonna mute the sound, and I guess we'll just play some music for this little time period. And then once we're done, or like whenever we take breaks or whatever, I'll come back and I'll talk to you guys whatever about what's going on. And also, if you have not, please like and subscribe. Yes, I do these vlogs, but I also do like clothing hauls and different things that I'm thinking about maybe doing some more beauty stuff, because I do have some things like different little eyeshadows and like things that I've purchased that I really want to try. Some bronzer that I want to try as well. So maybe we'll be doing a little bit more beauty videos too. I'm not really sure yet, but right now we're doing vlogs, we're doing hauls, we're doing unboxings. So let's get into this video.
In 1926. The person in our
This is leaving day. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's gonna leave that there right now. You kind of stir
I think it's like a
them
piece of noodle, right? Yeah. I think you probably have to stir them occasionally, which helps to separate them too. Which is why I just use the black spoon to push them down in there.
Okay, I'll do that for it.
You don't have to watch it with that water too. You gonna help us, Dad?
Yeah, that's right.
Don't get that started.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and pour some of that water out. I kind of thought it was too much. I didn't say nothing. I ain't say nothing, though.
That's good. So will I start doing anything else now?
No, not right now.
Not even the shrimp?
No, because you know the shrimp cooks in like a matter of like 2 to 3 or 4 minutes. 2 on one side, 2 on the other side. You don't want to burn them up or overcook them. And then you see how that water keep rising. You don't need to do nothing else.
What are we doing? You said drain it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Get out. We're doing all this fighting to get one. What do we do? Put that back in?
Yeah.
Okay. On a different eye.
Rinse that out too, because it's got all that pepper in it. We ain't need all that.
It didn't have a lot of pepper.
Yeah, it looked like it.
You can look over there and see it didn't have a lot.
Or sometimes what I do, I let it sit there so it'll cool some, and then I put it back into the pot.
Okay, well,
So you can let it cool some more. Because as long as it's hot, it's
so what do we
supposedly still
do now?
cooking.
What do you do next?
The sauce.
You do the sauce next?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I couldn't have that. Couldn't have that going on. What about the shrimp? When do they come into play?
That's at the end.
Oh, okay.
Because they go on top, and then we can mix it
So
all
what are we
in.
doing with that now?
Lord, I sent her the recipe. It's on her phone. Where your phone
I
is?
don't feel like I don't cook like that. I just make my own stuff up.
People. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium-low heat.
I could have melted in the microwave.
That's not how it's supposed to work, Mom.
It works for me.
That's why people don't be up in here cooking.
Yes, I do. Come on, get the melting thing. Okay, what I'm going to do after that, dump all this stuff in?
No, you're gonna add the cream after it melts, and then let the cream simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. And
4 to 5.
yeah,
Oh, I thought it said 45. I'm like,
4 to 5 minutes, and then put the Parmesan cheese in and mix it together until
then
the
put
Parmesan
garlic,
cheese melts.
Parmesan cheese, everything. The milk, butter. Let's see what they say.
Mom don't want to read. Mom don't want to listen neither.
No, man. No, because I don't think about it as soon as I finish it, I take butter out and that's it, and I get done. It's not that, and I'm just, I think it's crazy. Hurry up, so let me know. See, to get it to melt quick, what you do about that part, just melt, you just put the, yeah. See, how it's melting quick.
I ain't see nothing.
Done. That's what I'm saying. That's why you couldn't do it like
I
that.
ain't see nothing.
And swirl it around.
Oh,
Has it melted?
almost.
I think that's what I thought.
I know. That's why I'm like, what happened to him? Did something happen?
Yeah. I know when it's
They talk about
okay,
Drew Brees like he in the past or something.
It's melted. So now add the cream.
Yeah. So it's
4
like
to 5.
5.
So we'll do what? 4?
43.
What? 15?
Yeah, it's fine.
You got it simmering? Actually, I can just go ahead. Can I go ahead and put this butter in that pan?
Yeah, that's fine.
I can put the butter since everybody here around. Y'all don't have a job to do. Put them in?
Yeah.
To raise funds and research and treatment at the data.
Alright, so most of them look pink now, so I think we're good. Okay. You can add the garlic in now. Yeah.
You got garlic and
Gonna mix it
parsley. You're not gonna drain them?
No, we're just doing the garlic right now.
Okay. All right. There's the garlic.
Okay.
Mmm. Let me taste it.
No,
You gonna put a parsley in there with them, or you gonna put it on?
not right now.
You can put how much parsley you want. I don't know how much it is now.
You don't need it on the eye. You ain't gotta cook it no more. It's done cooking.
Could have done this on the sauce.
We have a broken immigration system. Our
Mmm. Yummy. Okay, what now? Okay, sauce and everything?
Yeah.
Break in the pandemic, Joe. This is such a critical moment.
That's true. Good evening. Now, the CDC says essentially
And then parsley goes on top of there. You don't have to mix that up.
I don't?
No.
I will, because people come here and pick up on that. Yeah, it does. It look pretty. Oh, no. Very pretty.
the highest number since March 15th last year.
We're done now.
Breakers causing concern.
Okay.
That wasn't so bad, was it?
Now I know how to cook it.
State with loyal followers can say they've gotten a dose of the vaccine or plan to get one, according to a new CNN poll. For the record, then President Donald Trump himself quietly got the shot before he left office.
You okay?
Maryland's Republican governor says Trump
We'll determine that when we fix our plates for dinner.
COVID messaging campaign didn't help, but you can't pin all of it on him. I mean, there's a lot.
We'll see about that. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this vlog right here. Thank you all again so much for watching. Thank you all again so much for supporting. This is our Sunday dinner, and so it's 6 o'clock. It's a little bit early for us to be eating, so I probably won't eat for maybe another hour or so. But yeah, so that is it. And then we're gonna eat, and then we're probably just gonna watch a movie and call it a night. But yeah, so everybody out there, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all for the next video.